What's up, everyone? This is Kyler. Today we're going to be checking out a new preset pack that I'm releasing to you called the Digital Glitch Effects. There's going to be a demo version as well as a full version so everyone can get a slice of the pie. With this pack, you'll be able to create some custom glitch transitions and kind of make whatever you want. So, without further ado, let's jump on into this and check out what the pack has. Once you click the link in the description down below, you'll see that there is a full version and a demo version. The full version includes all 20 digital glitch transitions, and then the demo version only includes 4. The only difference is the demo version is free, and the full version is $5, but I'm currently running a 25% off sale for the next 3 days, so get it while you can. The goal of this pack is to constantly update it, as you can see in the update log down here, and I would like your feedback. So you can click this link right here, and that'll take you to a forum where you can fill out some comments, questions, bugs, or feature requests. I will be able to read all of these and update the pack as needed. It should also be noted that this is compatible with Premiere Pro CC 2019 and Premiere Pro CC 2018. So these are what the glitch effect packs look like. This one is the full version and this one is the demo version, but I'm going to show you how to install it. In order to install it, all you have to do is go to the Effects tab and right-click on Presets and click on Import Presets. Navigate to wherever you downloaded your Digital Glitch preset pack from and click Open. Once you click Open, there will be a folder called Ashli Holland Presets, and then under the Transitions folder, there will be another folder called Digital Glitch. As you can see, if we open up the Digital Glitch folder, you'll see that we have 1 to 20. I can add as many of these as I want, so be sure to give me some feedback. Now, this effect is fairly easy to use. You can either use adjustment layers and drag on any of these effects onto your adjustment layer, but I like working with the videos themselves. In order to use this effect, you'll want to use it on a transition. So let's say we're transitioning between these two clips. All you have to do is hit C on your keyboard and make a cut where you want the effect to start, and then make a cut where you want the effect to end. As you can see, we have 2 clips right here now. So let's highlight both those by clicking and dragging, and hold Alt on your keyboard or Option on a Mac and drag up. That'll duplicate your video layers. Now we have these 2 videos to work with, so let's highlight both of them by clicking and dragging, right-click, and then select Nest. Once you select Nest, that will group those clips, so now we can drag on any digital glitch effect that we want. The cool thing about this pack is that these effects will scale to the clip length. So if you have a really long clip length, it'll scale to that. So let's check out this first effect. Cool. So it's like pulling the scene apart, it looks like, and then it snaps back in. The fun thing about this pack is that everything is customizable. If you select on your top video layer where we just applied the effect and then go to the Effects Controls tab, you'll see that we have this VR digital glitch effect, and this is such a heavy effect. All of my custom parameters have been made on all of these effects, but you can drag every single one of these parameters around and change the values to see what it does to your glitch. Keep in mind, you can also add mask onto your digital glitch effect. So if you want it to only manipulate a certain part of the image, you can do that as well to get a completely custom transition if you want. Keep in mind that you can also play with the opacity tab as well as different blend modes to see what they would do. Also, another note is that you can stack these effects. So if you want a multitude of effects on top of each other, just start clicking and dragging them all down onto this clip, and then you'll just get something that looks absolutely insane. So I'd highly recommend when you play around, hit I right before your clip, and then O after your clip, and then go to Sequence, Render Into Out. That'll render your transition so it doesn't slow your computer down. Also, one thing to note is that you don't have to use this on transitions. If you want to use it on a quick section of the clip, just click and drag that up by holding Alt or Option to copy it, and then drag any of the digital glitches on there, and just like that, you created a little subtle glitch. This is really fun to play around with because you can glitch your clip out a couple times if you want to before a transition. So let's drag that up, and drag that up. Notice how we just dragged those up and copied them. Let's also shift them to the right a tiny bit and then apply our effects and see what happens. So let's drag on Digital Glitch 8 on the first one, Digital Glitch 14 on the next one, and Digital Glitch 10 10 on this last one. So yeah, as you can see right away, it just kind of like adds some stutter, glitch effects, which are pretty awesome. And the fun thing about this pack is that everything is customizable, so if you need to click and drag some stuff around, you can as well. Moving forward, one last time, I want to show you one more example. So let's hit C on the keyboard, make a cut, hit C on the keyboard, make a cut, highlight both those, and drag up. So there's a reason why I don't like using adjustment layers. For example, if you drag Digital Glitch 12 onto your clip, onto an adjustment layer, you'll see that we get these black edges. Now these black edges are because it's pulling in from the edge of the image. Now, if we do the same transition, but we copy our clips and then nest them together, and drag on Digital Glitch 12, you'll see that those edges are no longer there. And that's because we're using a video adjustment layer, and this alpha adjust actually takes away all of those black edges. It ignores that. So I'm really excited to see what you guys make with these, and also keep playing around because these are stackable, so you can really make whatever you want. Well, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please let me know down below. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, because I'm going to be making some more stuff in the future. And as always, I'll see you next time.